Hey lovelies, my name is Noria, and today's video I'm going to show you guys how I clean my industrial ear piercing. So the healing process for an industrial, the average is 2 to 3 months, but that's not a guarantee. It's gonna take however much time your body needs to heal it, whether that's just natural healing process, if you're dealing with infections, all that other jazz. So from the point of me recording this video, I've had my industrial for almost 2 months. Just how it's behaving, I can still see it taking another month, maybe a month and a half before it is completely healed. That being said, I absolutely love this piercing, and my piercer did an amazing job. Like, yes, I freaking love it. But I'm just gonna show you guys how I clean it, and yeah. So the first 2 weeks in, I was definitely more on top of cleaning. I was doing the whole 2 times a day, keeping it, anytime I had buildup or anything, I would just go ahead and clean it. Now I am a lot more lax. If I can get in like 1 good cleaning a day, I'm happy. I say that because some days I'm lazy and I will just use saline solution and that's it. And I will know the next day because then I will get the crusties. So yeah, 2 months in, I still get crusties. So what that means, yes, there'll be like stuff accumulate here and I won't be able to do that. So, let's not catch my hair. But that's also how I really know I need to clean it, is if I cannot push up without that getting stuck. So what all you really need to clean your ear, okay, breaking it down, the main 2 things you need: a saline solution and an antibacterial soap. I just stuck with good old Dow. You want to get a unscented, bare minimum. You just need antibacterial to keep your technically it's a wound, so keeping your piercing clean. So if nothing else, you just want these 2 bad boys. Added things, Q-tip makes it easier, and then you can get some wound washes that are fine mist. I find I like this a little better because I have control over where it goes on my Q-tip, and you can just order a fine mist spray bottle, and this just has this in it. So essentially what you're gonna do, I didn't show it because I started filming after I did it, but wash your hands. Make sure you're washing your hands before you touch your piercings. We don't want things to get infected. But starting off, all I do, and initially I would just spray my ear a couple times just to get it wet. I will go in with my Q-tip with the spray, and I'll actually go in and start cleaning the bar. My trouble spot for my ear, you'll notice, is right here underneath where I kind of have that little lip. So I'll have to actually move that aside to get the top of the bar, and that's where most of my crusties form. If we're being honest, like, they'll form right there, and until I clean that off, I won't be able to move that. Then I just finish cleaning the ear. Next, I go in with just the dowel. So what I'll do is put just like a pea size, not even that, on my finger. Take the Q-tip and rub it on my finger to get the soap on it, and then run that underneath water, mainly because I just want it diluted. You put too much soap on, you're gonna be spitting there. You're gonna be there for a while trying to get the soap gone. So bare minimum, just get a little bit on the Q-tip. Same thing, same process. Go through, clean the ear as much as you can, getting all that gunk off. Toss that. Then we spray again. You don't have to spray, so I will say you don't need a spray bottle. You can also, for the first week before I got the spray bottle, I just used a small cup of water, leaned over, and just rinsed my ear to get some of the soap off. And so rinse either the spray or with a cup, and then I would go in one more time with the my brain with the Q-tip. I hope I've been saying Q-tip this whole time. I have no idea what I've been saying. Anyway, Q-tip, and then I will put a little bit of the saline solution back on it, clean my ear one more time, make sure, again, getting all that soap off. And then I will just flip that same Q-tip over, so on the dry side, and just go through and dry my ear, because I know my ear is still healing and like underneath and on top, I can definitely still see that it's not healed. When my ear is wet, it will kind of dry and get stuck, so I try to go ahead and dry it before that can happen, just to make it easier and I can go a little longer between cleaning. So that is essentially how I take care of my industrial piercing. Yes, you can do these for other piercings as well. I just find that that helps with me, and then all I do, really, you can just push the bar up and out of the way. Now obviously for like the first 2 weeks, probably don't manhandle your piercing that much, but I'm so used to it now that I can just press it and be fine. If you guys want to know more about my industrial piercing, pain-wise, when I was able to sleep normally again, how do I deal with when I hit my piercing, let me know in the comments below and I will definitely do another video. But other than that, I hope this cleaning video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.